Hey, it's Kamori, and in today's video we are going to be talking about two cosplay Facebook groups to follow. I will be linking them both in the description box below if you want to go check them out. They are both closed groups, so you do have to apply to be a member of them, which I think makes groups on Facebook a bit more safer than having anyone be able to access them and take a look at them. So the first is Cosplay for Sale! And this is a cosplay buy sell trade group. Now, there are a lot of these types of groups on Facebook, however, this one is my personal favorite. It does have quite a few members, which means that whatever you decide to post is going to be seen by quite a lot of people. And the moderators are very active on it. They screen every post before it goes live to make sure that it follows the requirements of the group. They recommend having everything done through PayPal to make it more secure, and the moderators are also very quick to respond to any issues that may arise. If someone is acting outside of the recommended guidelines, the moderators, from what I have seen so far, deal with everything very quickly and very discreetly, so I do appreciate that. So if you are interested in selling some cosplays or buying some cosplays, that is a good group to check out. Group number 2 is Cosplay Marketing, which is a group that was started by cosplayer Ginny D, and it is a great resource if you are interested in learning more about cosplay from a social media aspect and even from a professional cosplay aspect. Some of the people who are involved in the group are pro cosplayers or make a significant percentage of their income through cosplay. And because it is a closed group and because a majority of the members are so focused on one particular aspect of cosplay, it does make it a very safe space to discuss issues regarding marketing and convention appearances, guesting, anything that tends to be a bit more on the, I don't want to say taboo because they're not really taboo subjects, just nobody really wants to talk about them. And that's a good place to learn more about that. Even if your goal isn't to become a cosplay guest or to become a pro cosplay, it's just a very good place for a lot of intelligent discussion about how social media applies to cosplay. And again, that is a group where the moderators are very active. If they see anyone behaving in a way that is not conducive, if anyone comes in and starts trolling someone or is really rude about any of the subjects, the moderators come in and take action, which is really nice. So that is another group to check out if you are interested in learning more about that. So I hope you found this video helpful. If there are any subjects you'd like to see me make a video about, let me know in the comments below. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.